Hello to you, my people. Welcome back to Music and Country Life. Today, I'll be sharing with you the top 7 benefits from including the FEVERGRASS, or you may know it as the lemongrass, in your diet. But before I go any further, you can take this time to click that subscription button below. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments and don't forget to share with your friends and your family so that they will know of the benefits derived from including this herb in their diet. Now, this herb grows in my yard and it's one of my favorite, especially when I am making tea. Now, when this herb is rolled in your hands, it gives an awesome aroma. Now, at number 7, the lemongrass herb helps to lower your high cholesterol levels. At number 6, it relieves anxiety. Number 5, it relieves bloating and gassiness. At number 4, it fights cold and flu and helps to get rid of congestion. At number 3, it boosts the body's immunity based on its high anti-inflammatory properties. At number 2, it gets rid of mucus buildup within the body. And at number 1, it clears the respiratory tract and helps you to fight whatever respiratory problems that you are struggling with. So, you should include the lemongrass, the FEVERGRASS in your diet and enjoy these benefits. Thank you for joining Music and Country Life today. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. Now stay tuned and stay connected for another awesome, informative, and exciting Country Life video.